Alright, so what's going on, 2A crew? Rizzo, Fitty and Tactile, and today we're going to do episode 4 of our video handbook for new gun owners, and today we're going to go over sight alignment and sight picture. Sight alignment and sight picture are important because can't hit what you can't see. I was about to say can't hit what you can't shoot, same thing. But yeah, sight alignment and sight picture, let's get into it. Alright, so I got my Author PDP here just to kind of show you with the iron sights. You got a set of rear sights and your front sight. And usually your rear sights are going to be 2. It may be a notch, 2 dots, however you got it, and you'll have one post up front for your front sight. So sight alignment is basically the relationship to how you line up your rear sights with your front sight. And we use a thing that we call equal height, equal light. I kind of explain it with these here. So these will be your back sight and that will be your front sight. So what you want to do is you want to line up your front sight and your rear sight so that the front sight is in the middle, in between, equal height with both the sides, both the rear sights, and equal height. It's going to be the same height, equal light on both sides, so it's going to be right in the middle. So if it's over to the left, well, I guess that'll be right on your screen, but if it over to one direction, that's where your shot's going to go. If it's over here, that's where your shot's going to go up and down. So you want to kind of get equal height, equal light on your shot. So when we go through and you start practicing, you present that handgun, you want those sights. You bring the handgun up to your line of sight, and you want this sight to be right in between both of those. So it's equal height, equal light for your sight alignment. All right. So sight alignment is the alignment of your sights, regardless of what the target is. All right. Your sight picture is the relationship of your sights on your target. All right. Alright, so a lot of times I get the question of I got my sights lined up, I'm on target, but what am I supposed to be focused on? Alright, and almost everybody will tell you need to focus on that front sight, but you'll hear it differently. Some people will tell you to focus on the target, focus on the front sight, just kind of in that range. But main thing is your shot is going to go. We showed you on the thing how when it was aligned, whether it was going to go up, down, side to side. So your shot is going to go where that front sight is focused. So that's why they will tell you focus on that front sight, because that's where your sights are going to go. If you got them lined up correctly, they're going to go where you want them to go. If you do it correctly, they'll always say that the front sight should be in focus and your rear sight and your target will be a little fuzzy. I got old eyes, my eyes might not be as good, but that's kind of what you're aiming for. Now basically this information is for target shooting, getting ready to shoot. If you start doing competitions and things like that, your focus may change. We're just, like I said, this is for the new shooter. The information we give is for new shooters, just kind of the best information to give you starting out, and then as you shoot, just like along with your grip and stance, things may change. But yeah, focus on that front sight, line them up, equal height, equal light, line everything up, and focus on that front sight when you're on your target. A lot of times people will ask, where do you place your front sight, and I will tell you wherever you're comfortable. So if you're comfortable putting this front sight either on the target, some people will put it like, let's say this is the target you're shooting at, and they may put that right above. You just gotta find out what's comfortable for you and where you're shooting. I like to put my sight directly on the target, but like I said, you may shoot differently, but that's why I like to put my front sight is directly on the target. So the last thing we'll go over with is eye dominance. Now, when you get better, it is going to be recommended that you try to shoot with both eyes open. But starting out, I always recommend for my new shooters, shoot with one eye. One eye closed, one eye open. It's just, to me, it's a lot easier that way. A lot of people try to get you directly into it. it's a lot more difficult to me. So usually you need to figure out which eye is your dominant eye. For most right-hand shooters, it's going to be your right eye. For most left-hand shooters, it's going to be your left eye. That may or may not always be the case. Usually what you want to do is get you something small, maybe a little sticky note or something, put it up on the wall and focus on something, maybe a light bulb or a light fixture, and just make your little triangle with your hand, something real small, and just focus on it with both eyes open. And then what you want to do is just close one eye, close the other eye, and whichever eye, when you close it, like I close my left eye, I got most everything in there. When I close my right eye, it jumps. So that tells me that with my right eye open, everything looks almost exactly the same. My left eye open, everything is different. That makes me right eye dominant. And the only difference is if you're cross-eye dominant, if you're shooting with one eye open. See, like me, I'm right-handed, right eye dominant. I'm gonna bring it up right here. I'm looking out of my right eye. If I'm left eye dominant, I'm just gonna bring it over to here and look at it out of that left eye. And that'll be the main difference to kind of help you out when you're shooting, so you know which hand is your dominant hand. Get your sight alignment together, figure out how you're gonna get on target, and know which eye is your dominant eye. Alright, so hopefully that helped you out a little bit with your sight alignment, sight picture, eye dominance. Next video, I think next season 5, episode 5, we'll get into trigger control. So I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, leave a comment, anything. If you got suggestions, I'll take any suggestions. All right, so just leave that up. We'll have information on the end screen. Till then, you guys stay safe, shoot straight, keep training. We'll talk to you guys later. Y'all have a good one.